Well, hello guys, Zubair here. Well, here's the thing. I've been searching around the market for a perfect compact power bank. Well, I searched a lot for specifically this purpose to find out the best compact power bank I can find. Well, in my previous video, I've done a review of the Romos power bank, which supports quick charge 3.0, and now guys, finally I found a device which is the compact device I could find in the market. Well, the search is over. I'll show you. Before doing that, I would like to tell you guys to please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, touch the bell icon for the latest news, reviews, unboxings from Zuby Tech World. Well, without any further ado, let's go. Well guys, this is it. I have the power bank, which is 2000 milliampere of power. Well, it has some features, which is built-in torch, fast charging, and indicator light. Obviously, without the indicator, how can we know whether it's full or it's empty? Well, which company it is from? I'll tell you. Well, it's from Dany Technologies, the PB23 version of this power bank, the most compact power bank I could find. What are the advantages? I'll tell you later on. First of all, I'll unbox this baby and tell you what are the contents of this device. Well, for that, first of all, we will look at the battery capacity, which I told you that is 2000 milliamp hour battery. The performance, it supports one full charge of a bar phone, that is your feature phone, and one full charge it will support your smartphone. Well, the interface, it has a micro USB, not the fast one. Well, it is certified as well. Increased capacity, 100% increase. Torch size, well, talking about the size, this is important. 94 millimeters of height. This is just a compact device. 33 millimeters of width and 23 millimeters of just the thickness. Well, definitive, a compact one. 69 grams of weight, and the voltages are given with the USB interface as well. Well, without any further interference, let's open this baby. Let's see. Well, just can't wait to see this small USB power bank, USB powered power bank. Well, let's open this. Well, let's see. Dany, the company, Dany Technologies, and here is something, what you call it. It might be a torch. There are two lights, the indicators, I think it will be. And here is your charging. What's written in there? Power bank designed by Dany, assembled in China. The model PB23 capacity, this, and 2000 milliamp hour battery. That is what we need. Well guys, let's see the other contents. It's a keychain strap for your keychains. Costs around $6, and you guys can judge how cheap this device is and how convenient this device can be. Well, first of all, let's see if it has juice or not. Okay, putting on the USB. I always put the wrong USB at the first time. I think you guys also have this problem, putting the wrong part of the USB in the chargers. Let's see, putting it on my J4. Well, it's charging. It has some juice over here. One light is indicating, and guys, you can see it's charging. The flashlight on the battery is on. If you can see this, yeah, it's there. Well, this is charging. What I mean about compact is really what I mean. Well, this thing, you can put this in your pocket anytime. It has 69 grams of weight. The super compact device, put it on your, it also has a feature for your keychain. You can put it in your keychain as well. Smart thing. And a light. Wow, it has, perfect, man. It has a light. Can you light my favorite knife? Yeah, you sure can. Comparing it with my knife, half the size. Super compact device. Well guys, talking about the word convenient, I'll do a little experiment, a little calculation to show you guys. This is Samsung Galaxy J4. It has 3000 milliamp power of battery, and this thing is 2000 milliamp power of the battery. If I open the calculator, you can I'll do a little math for you guys to show you how convenient this device can be. So the 3000 milliamp power of J4 plus the 2000 milliamp power of this thing equals to 5000. So if we minus it by 40%, it equals to the 3000 of the Samsung Galaxy J4's juice. So it means that if your device, this device J4 is 100% charged, and you carry this device as well, you will get 40% of extra juice. Now this comes in handy in number of ways. When you're out of town, when you're in a tour or something, when you're in your car, when there is no charger available, no traveling charger, no port is there, no switches in your car, this device will come in handy. You can carry it around anywhere with you guys. I think this experiment was helpful, and I think I need a like for this one, guys. Tons of features, all of them written in the back. Well guys, I don't know about the charging time. In my next video I'll definitely will share you about the charging time of this device as well. Well guys, this was the product I was searching about. So do comment me below and tell me guys, what do you think about the device? Well guys, this is it. Zubair Ahmed. See you on my next video. Do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. It will definitely motivate me to do more unboxings for you, as I'm sharing my passion with you, the technology I love. But this is my passion, guys. So do subscribe to my channel. It will definitely motivate me. Well guys, this is it. See you on my next video. So long.